Hi friends, hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Lohit here from the Digital Marketing Agencies. In this video today now I am going to show you that how to set up a Google Analytics and how to get a Google Analytics tracking ID to Blogger itself. So in the last video I have already shown you that how to set up a Google Analytics. In the last video I have already shown you. So for those who didn't watch that video of Google how to set up a Google Analytics, I'm going to give that video in the end of this description itself. So coming to the point is that now how to set up a Google Analytics and how to get a Google Analytics tracking ID to Blogger itself. In the last video, I have already shown you it in WordPress only. So but this was the same like it's Blogger also in the Blogger also. So let's see. Now, first of all, what I'm going to do is that now I'm going to this Google Analytics itself. So let us see if I'm going to this Google Analytics and let's click on the admin. Let us see now what I'm going to do is that you need to click on this admin and then you need to click on create a new account here itself. So let's see. First of all, what I'm going to do is that let's click on create an account. Okay, now here it is asking that you need to enter a account name. You can write any name itself. For example, I'm going to enter my name is my account name is Louis Blog 143. Let's okay. Let's click on Google. Let's select all those things here itself. Let's click it, and then what you need to do is now you need to click on next. Okay, now you need to enter the property name. So I'm going to enter my property name is okay, and then you need to select your region. Okay, now let's see. I'm going to search my region. Let's see. Now I'm going to selecting it as India, and then you need to select the Indian rupee. Now I'm going to select this currency as Indian rupee. Let's see. Now, okay, now let's click on show advanced options. And what you need to do is now you need to click on create a universal analytics property. Let's click on. And then what you need to do is now you need to paste your website here. So first of all, now what you need to do is you need to go to this blogger.com and then you need to go to your website. Let's see. Let's click on this view your blog. Okay, now I'm going to copy this my website here. Let's copy your website and then you need to paste it here. Okay, let's see. Let's click on paste here. So HTTPS, you need to remove this HTTPS because it is already there in the website of URL. So that's why I'm going to delete it. Let's what you need to do is in the same way. Let's click on create. Let's click on next. Let's click on next button. And what you need to do is you need to select all those business size or whatever you want to select. You can select anything itself. So for example, here it is asking that you need to select any industry category. So I'm going to selecting it as a books and literatures. So business size, I'm going to selecting the smaller. And after that, whatever here it is asking that how do you intend to use Google Analytics with your business? You can select anything itself. Also, or otherwise, I'm going to selecting all those itself except other. Okay, now let's see. Let's click on create. Okay, now what you need to do is now you need to select your region. Okay, let's click on tick. And again, you need to click it here and let's click on I accept. Let's see. What I'm going to do is that you need to Now, just now, you have created a new property itself only, so let us see. This was the property name. In the was, let us see. Now, what I'm going to do is that now you need to copy this code of, let us see. I'm going to change the stream name. Let us see. Let's. I'm going to change the another theme. Let's see. Let's click on this new theme. Okay. Now let's see. Now I'm going to refresh it. Okay. Now what you need to do is that you need to click on edit with HTML. So whatever you have selected a theme, you need to click on edit with HTML. Okay. Now you need to find the head. So let's see. Just now we have got head is there. No? So let's click on this head. Okay. Now let's paste it here. Now you need to paste this code here and let's click on save. Okay, now let's see. Now I am going to refresh it. Refresh this website. Let it be wait for 2 minutes, so it will be get approved. You will be getting as a tracking ID code of to analytics itself. Okay, now let's see what you need to do is that now you need to go to this data streams. Is there no? So in this data streams, let's click on this. Okay, now it will be approved 100% surely. Let's see. Here it is showing that streaming ID is there. No, so let's click on the stream. Let's don't copy the stream ID or measurement ID also. So let us see here. Let us see what you need to do is that now again I'm going to refresh it. Let us see now I'm going to the admin option. Now again I'm going to click on create a property. Let's click on. I'm going to enter my property name is Louis admin. I'm going to enter it as a Louis admin. In the meanwhile, let us see. You need to click on let's see, you need to click on this region here or otherwise first of all let us see I'm going to show let us see whether it is whether it has been uploaded or not. So let us say I'm going to check it here. So first of all you need to click it here. Let's see. Okay, now it has been uploaded successfully. So let us see. I'm going to click on this open. Let's see. Okay, just now we have got it as a tracking ID information. Let's click on this tracking code. What you need to do is that now you need to go to this settings. So what you need in the settings, you need to go to this Google Analytics tracking ID. So now you need to find this Google Analytics tracking. Okay, first let us see. Let us wait for a few months. Now I'm going to search my Google Analytics. Okay, now property ID. Just now we have got it a property ID now. So let us see. Now I'm going to paste this tracking ID. Let's click on. Let's copy this tracking ID code and let's paste it here. Okay, let's click on save. It has been saved successfully, So that's all, guys. It's a very easiest way that you can create it. That you can set up a Google Analytics and how to connect a track, how to get a tracking ID code to bloggers itself. So it's a very easy, guys. So especially for those who all are having any doubts regarding about this topic of how to set up a Google Analytics and how to connect a Google Analytics tracking ID to Blogger itself. So that's all, guys. So the today's topic is that how to set up a Google Analytics and how to connect a Google Analytics tracking code to Blogger. That's all, guys. Thank you all. Thank you so much.